Hello, good afternoon everybody. Myself is Manmohan, Krishan, lecturer in chemistry, GPC GTB Girl, Moga. Today my topic is quantum numbers. So, according to Bohr's theory, energy of an electron is given by this equation 1311.8 divided by n square, where n is principal shell. So, when number of shell is increased, so as the value of n is increased, the value the energy of electron is decreasing. So, value energy of electron is increasing. So, it tells about that energy is increasing from as we go outwards, the energy of electron is increasing. So, each electron in an atom has certain amount of energy. Certain amount of energy. So, this energy is quantized. This energy is quantized, that is energy is divided into different parts. So, just like photon is, what is photon? Photon is packet of light. And quantum is packet of energy. So, you will see photon is packet of light and quantum is packet of energy. So, quantum numbers gives idea quantum numbers gives idea of energy of electron. So, what will be the energy of electron? That is given by quantum numbers. So, it will give the complete address of electron. So, quantum number give the complete address of electron. There are 4 types of quantum numbers. So, there are 4 types of quantum numbers are there. So, first one is principal quantum number. And the second is azimuthal quantum number. Third is magnetic quantum number. And the fourth is spin quantum number. and the fourth is spin quantum number. So, 4 quantum number, first is principal quantum number, second azimuthal, magnetic, and last is spin quantum number. So, energy of electron is given by these 4 quantum numbers. So, first of all we will discuss about principal quantum number. Principal quantum number is represented by small n, value of n may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So, value of n may be 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, which are also called K, L, M, N, X and so on. So, these are also called K, L, M, N and so on. This quantum number determines the average distance of electron from the center of the nucleus. The lower the value of n, lower the value of n, lower will be energy of electron. This may be so 1, 2, 3, 4. This may also called K, L, M, N. Okay. So, principal quantum number represented by n, the values of principal quantum number may be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, according to the main shell of the electron. So, in an atom, electron may be present in first, second, third, fourth or fifth shell or so on. Likewise, these are named K, L, M, N, etc. So, the energy of first shell is lower than second shell, and second shell energy of second shell is lower than third shell and so on. So, as we move outwards from the nucleus, the energy is increasing. The maximum number of electron in principal quantum number is in principal energy level is given by is given by 2n square. So, for example, so if we fill the values in 2n square, so for K shell, so the value of n is 1. So, that is there are 2 electrons in K shell. As likewise L shell has 8 electrons. So, these may be shown. So, first shell has 2 2 electron, and second shell has maximum 8 electrons. This quantum numbers tells about the average distance of electron from the nucleus. This quantum number tells about the average distance of electron from the nucleus. In picture you may see that the electrons in K shell is nearer to the nucleus and has less energy, and the electron in L shell is far from the nucleus as compared to K shell and has more energy. So, it tells about the average distance of electron from the nucleus. So, of the four quantum numbers given, principal quantum numbers gives the main energy difference in electrons. The energy of electron in electronic energy is given by energy of electron is given by per mole. So, minus 1311.8 divided by n square kilojoule per mole. So, energy of electron is increasing, you may see minus 1 is greater than minus 2. As the value of n is increasing, so energy of overall, so the value of overall energy is decreasing, and the negative value shows that energy is increasing. So, physical significance is of principal quantum number. It represents size of electron cloud. It represents size of electron cloud. It represents size of electron cloud. That is how far electron is present around the nucleus. So, next quantum number is azimuthal quantum number. It is also called azimuthal or subsidiary, and or it is also called angular quantum number. This is represented by small l. This quantum number is also called subsidiary, angular, or it is also called lateral quantum number. It is represented by small l. It tells about the subshell in the given shell. So, whereas principal quantum number tells about the main shell in which electron is present, azimuthal quantum number tells about the subshell in which electron is present. So, in shell there are different subshells. So, it is represented by small l. The shapes of subshell are different. So, the value of azimuthal quantum number is started from 0 to n minus 1. So, value of azimuthal quantum number are started from 0 to n minus 1. So, there are as number of values as the number of as this is a principal quantum number. For example, a principal quantum number is 0. So, value of azimuthal quantum number is also 0. So, if principal quantum number is 1, so value of L are 0 and okay. Sorry, principal quantum number cannot be 0. So, if the principal quantum number is 1, value of L are 0. If the principal quantum numbers are 2, so value of L are 0 and 1, that is 1 less than principal quantum number. If the value of n is 3, value of L are 0 and 1 and next is 2. So, 1 less than n and started from 0, value of L is start from 0 and goes till 1 less than n. The subshells are designated as, for value of L there are 4 types of value of L, and the name of these 4 types of values is given. So, names are given small s, p, d, f. Okay, sharp, principal, diffuse and fundamental. These words are taken from these first letter of these words. So, if the value of L, that is azimuthal quantum number, is 0, the name for 0 is designated as S. If the value of L is 1, the name designated for 1 is P, and if value of L azimuthal quantum number 2, the name for that is given D. If the value of F is 3, the name given is F. Okay. For a quantum number, the energy of various subshells, the energy of S is more than P, that is more than D, and D is energy of D is more than F. So, S subshell has more energy than P subshell, which is more energy than D subshell, and D subshell has more energy than F subshell. So, physical significance of this is it represents the electron cloud. Represents the shape of electron cloud. Principal quantum numbers gives about the size of the electron cloud, and azimuthal quantum numbers tells about the, it represents the shape of electron cloud. Next is magnetic quantum number. This is represented by small l. So, magnetic quantum number when charge moves, when charge moves, so there is electric field and magnetic field around that charge. So, around that magnetic field, so it interact, the magnetic field of electron interact with the magnetic field of a whole atom, that is created by other electrons and proton. So, magnetic field of electron is contributed in magnetic quantum number. So, the magnetic quantum numbers is represented by small m. This quantum number tells about the number of orbital in any subshell and magnetism generated due to angular motion of electron. This quantum number tells about the magnetic movement that electron, due to angular motion of electron. So, from this tells the number of orbitals. This tells the number of orbitals. So, value of m ranges from minus L to plus L. Value of m are from minus L to plus L, that is if value of L is 0, value of m r is only 0. So, if value of L is 1, value of m r, that is minus L to plus L, minus 1 and 0 and plus 1, or you may see, that is if we draw a line, so value of m may be 0, it may be from minus 1 to plus 1, or it may be from minus 2 to plus 3, minus 2 to plus 2, or it may be from minus 3 to plus 3. So, value of m may be from 1 to 3. When value of L is 0, value of m is also 0. When value of L is 1, so there are 3 values of for m, that is minus 1, 0, plus 1. When value of L is 2, value of m are minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1 and plus 2. And when value of L is 3, values of m are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. So, these are value of m. So, now we will draw a relation. between different types of value. So, when value of n is 1, so before fourth quantum number, spin quantum number, so already we have discussed about 3 quantum numbers. First one was principal quantum number, and the second was azimuthal quantum number, subsidiary quantum number, on angular quantum number. Third was magnetic quantum number, and the fourth one is spin quantum number. This is represented by small s. So, the value of s may be plus half and minus half. So, value of s may be plus half and minus half. So, plus half is for when the electron is moving clockwise, and minus half is for when the electron is moving anti-clockwise. You may have seen that when we toss a coin, so there are two probabilities, either it is tail or head. For tail, we have one probability, that is half, that is there is 1 out of 2. For tail, the probability is also half, that is either tail or head. Likewise, when we throw a dice, the probability of coming 1 is 1 by 6. So, probability is 1 by 6. Likewise, there are two probabilities for moving electrons, either it is clockwise or it is anti-clockwise. So, for clockwise we have plus half, and from anti-clockwise we have minus half. So, for two electrons in an orbital, we have two types of probabilities, that is we have two types of spin quantum number, that is plus half and minus half. Now, we will discuss about, so physical significance of a spin quantum number is it represents the direction of electron cloud, that is clockwise or anti-clockwise. So, another week so electron may be moving clockwise or it may be moving anti-clockwise. So, the directions for spin quantum number is shown here. So, now we will draw the relationship between different types of values of these quantum numbers. So, here is principal quantum number n, energy level for, so first value of principal quantum number n is 1, and the energy level, this energy level is called K. For value of n, the value of L are 0, and value of m is also 0. The name of this orbital is 1s. of this orbital is 1s. Number of subshell, value of m is